So it's been a while since I've done a video. A lot of things been going on. Compressor went out. Got a new compressor from Eastwood. They're really good on their returns, so that worked out fantastic. Did a video on it. It's YouTube. It's on YouTube. It's not on Facebook yet. But back on this fender. And this fender, wherever it came from, once had that bumper that wrapped around and bolted onto the fenders. So what they did was they took a piece of square metal, put some glue on it, stuck it on, tack welded it on, and then bonded the other side. Never filled the hole. They just threw a patch. That's what they did in a lot of areas. Right here you can see what I'm talking about. On the other fender, they glued them on and didn't tack weld them in. On this one, they glued them on and tack weld them. So I got to grind down the tack welds. Two there, one here, one over here. Heat it up for the glue. Take it off. So that's in the process. And once I'm done, I'm going to fill these holes. A couple little areas on the fender here has got to be done. Over here has got to be done. Those spot over here that I got to do. Get those right. Sand the thing down. Get it ready for paint. Not sure which way I'm going to go with the paint booth. I'm either going to build one out of PVC pipe. I was thinking of those blow-up ones, but they're real expensive. Now I'm going to talk to a buddy of mine who owns a paint shop and see what he would cost me to just shoot it. I did most of the expensive work, all the metal, fabrication, and it's just got to be shot. That's something I'm going to figure out in the next week or so, because this thing's ready for paint, and I want to put it back together by the end of summer. So, last fender. Moving forwards. Everybody have a great one. Be safe out there. I know this coronavirus got everybody home. Just be safe and do what you got to do to protect your family and friends and help everybody out. Give them some food. Whatever you can do out there. Have a great one. Bye.